All right, this is going to be Carry On Wayward Son by Kansas. We're going to start out with this. Okay, so we got 5, 3, 5 on the big E string, going to that 3rd fret, 5th string. Same thing to the 5th fret. Then we're going to quickly slide this. Slide this 5 into 7 to the 5 on the D string. Then we're going to go 7, 5, 3. We're going to pick those. So we got. Then we got a 5 to the big 3, 5 to the big 2. And we do it again. So this is like Riff A, I'm calling this. We're going to do that twice. Then we got Riff B, big E twice, and this is the 7th fret of the G string and 8th fret of the B string. So we got, and then we're gonna go. So that's a quick open, quick hammer here, 5 to 7, and then 5, 7 here, 5 on the D, back to 5, 7 on the A. So it's a quick motion on that. You go. Take this chord, slide it up and back. So that's up to the 9 and 10, back to the 7, 8. So we got. Same riff there, then we repeat it. Okay, then after we do that, we're back to. We have part B, but only one time. Okay, then at that point, we're moving on. We got. So that was 5, 7, 7, like an A power chord, 3, 5, 5, like a G power chord. And then F major 7, I'm like muting the top one and going 3, 3, 2, 1, open. So. And then the piano starts in the verse. We got A minor, G, F to the G, A minor, G, F to the G, and then we have D minor to C, B flat, which is that 1, 3, 3, 3, B flat. Now the B flat has 3 beats, 1, 2, 3. C is the 4th beat. Back to D minor, C. Okay, so when we're coming out of that D minor, C, B flat, D minor, C, we go to G. Go back through that. A minor, G, F, G. Then we got the D minor, C, B flat, 1, 2, 3. Back to G. And then we got. Okay, so first we have a O2, 2 to the B bass there, that 2. This is the chorus part, so we got quick hammer 2 to 3 there. 2, O2 from a C chord, so we got O2, 2, 2, hammer to the 3, 2, O2, and then 3, 2, O from a G, and then we're going F power chord, 1, 3, 3, 3, and then we stop on that one. And we got the first riff again. And again. And then we're right back into the piano verse type of thing. D minor. Back through it. have a longer chorus. That one we're gonna go all the way up to that G there. So we go same as the other one, but here we have 4 notes on that G, and then 1, 3, 3 to the G here on that one. And then we're gonna go 3, 2, open, open. That little open 3 chord in the bottom. Okay, so this whole longer chorus. And you can kind of hit both of those. And then we're continuing that riff. 3, 2, open, open. So 1, 3, 3, 3. Stop on the chord, and then we got a new part. Okay, so there's one guitar going. You got open A, and then you got 2 pull-offs, 2 to open on the G, 2 to open on the D. And then you got a 3 open pull-off on the A. And then 3, 5, big 3, 5. You can either hit these notes separately, 5 and 3. So you got. The second time just hits the 5. You could do power chords on those too, so that'd be like. Okay, so either way, single notes or chords there. And then we have this new thing for this organ solo. Okay, so this new thing is open on the big one, and then 7 on the A, 5, 4. And these are like on upbeats. 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5 on the A, 5 on the D. So that's something like. Oh, 7, 5, 4, and then we're gonna go big 7 to 5 on the 5th. 2, 3, 4. Little bend on that 3 there to get back into that. So we have. Do that again. Then we're going to have one more of these. And then we got back to the original riff. Part A. And now we have a new thing. 2 hits on that A power chord. G, F. So that riff is 1, 3, 3. So we got. Do it again. And then we're gonna go 5, 7, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 3, 3. 1, 3, 5, 2. So that ends up being basically just going up the chord, hitting the bass note, going down the chord. Now this one, 1, 3, 5, 2. Go to the big G power chord there, so. Okay, and then we're gonna have that longer chorus. Okay, then coming out of this longer chorus, we get back into that thing. Then we have a new thing, an F sharp. So we got 2, 2, 4, 2 on the D, to that 4 on the A. 2 times, like an A power chord and an E power chord. So you got 3 times of that, then the last one. That takes you back into that guy. Okay, you got that stuff, and then you got four times of this. Okay, so we had that A power chord walk, G power chord walk, F major 7. And that's Carry On Wayward Son by Kansas. Hope you all dug that. All right, talk to you soon.